In this video, I'm going to discuss solution-focused therapy, or SFT. Solution-focused therapy is an approach that puts its focus on achieving specific goals rather than the reasons that a problem exists. For example, when a teen is having problems completing their homework or is having trouble sleeping, the SFT approach would focus more on a solution to their problem rather than the causes. I will typically use an SFT approach in two general scenarios. So number one is when my client has a limited amount of time that they can spend with me. In these situations, rather than trying to spend a lot of time dealing with and figuring out the cause of something, we might have to just go to solution mode. And number two is when their goal suggests it. So for example, I could have a client who is looking to see me for only 3 sessions before going back to school. This time restriction suggests an SFT approach would be appropriate. If their goal, for example, is to improve time management or motivation with schoolwork, and if there aren't a lot of underlying traumatic issues at play, then an SFT approach might include how to break an assignment into smaller pieces, or how to use their calendar in a different way to be more effective with scheduling. The main benefit that I see with SFT is the ability of my client to get support even when they have a time constraint. It also focuses on the strengths that a person has rather than their weaknesses. Finally, it can be used with a person who's not ready to address some deeper concerns and still needs some practical strategies for coping better. So for a person who's had issues in the past, they may not be at a point in their life that they're ready to talk about it, but in the present, they need help. So SFT might be a way for that type of person to get the help they need, and then once they're more comfortable in the present with coping skills, they might then be ready to tackle what's happened to them in the past. For more information and an in-depth description of the benefits of SFT, check out goodtherapy.org. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 416-613-1259 or by email at kevin@hhcw.ca. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.